Think hiccups are just annoying? These 5 facts will blow your mind. Hiccups begin with a glitch in your brainstem, the part that controls automatic actions like breathing. Unborn babies hiccup in the womb. Scientists think it helps them practice breathing. One man hiccuped non-stop for 68 years. True story. His name was Charles Osborne. Kittens, dogs, and even frogs can get hiccups. It's not just a human thing. There's no proven cure, but tricks like holding your breath or swallowing sugar might help. Which one surprised you most? Drop a hiccup emoji in the comments and follow for more facts.